Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2019 Chevrolet Camaro? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems in your Camaro. Engine compartment fuse block. Engine compartment fuse block houses fuses and relays that protect vital electrical systems such as the engine, cooling fans, and fuel pump. It has a labeled cover for easy identification of fuse locations. The block ensures reliable circuit protection and is designed for quick maintenance access. Rear compartment fuse block. Rear compartment fuse block protects electrical circuits for systems like the rear defogger, power seats, and infotainment. It features clearly labeled fuses for easy identification and is designed for quick access behind the trunk's carpet lining. This block ensures safe and efficient operation of rear compartment electrical components.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.